Today, more than 3 million apps exist on Google Play Store and more than 1.8 million apps exist on Apple Play Store. In all these apps, there are thousands of earning apps are available on both stores. And many of you may have used these earning apps, but apart from losing the time, you did not get anything from these apps. But the question is that why Google doesn't ban these apps? And why fake earning apps are increasing day by day? And what we can do for it? All these earning apps are different from each other, but their system is same. These earning apps tempt you that if you share these apps to your friends or families, so these apps will give you money. The more you share apps, the more money you will get. In many earning apps, you must have seen that if you blow the balloon, then ads will appear from them and you will get money from these ads. The earning apps have many ways to greet you, like playing games, watching videos, quiz and competition, etc. etc. And all these earning apps claims that they will pay you through Paytm or PayPal, but hardly when you collect a lot of money and you are about to transfer to your account. Many types of errors are encountered in your way, or it is written that the money will be transferred to your account in 24 hours, but this money never comes in your account. And not only this, many YouTubers review these fake earning apps by taking a lot of money from these apps because public believes on those people who reviews many things on social media, and public use their opinions and purchase items that are reviewed by them. But this is not true. Like fake earning apps, there are many fake reviewers. It is not that all money earning apps are fake. There are some apps that pay real money, but more than 95% apps are fake. All these fake apps doesn't pay money but waste your time. So the question comes that how can you identify these fake apps? There are many ways through which you can identify fake earning apps and real earning apps. But the best and simple way is to see comments of these apps, which is written in the comment box below them. If there are many fake apps, then why does Google not stop these fake apps? So the first reason is that people are not so aware about it and do not inform Google about these fake earning apps. Another reason is that after downloading a fake earning app, people does not comment them. If they really comment, so the other people will not waste time by downloading these fake earning apps. In last years, Google has also banned many fake earning apps, but not so. If you also want to earn money online at home, so one thing you have to do first, you have to get full information about the earning app that you want to use and don't take action if you are not sure about any particular app.